In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox storage usage. Whether you're utilizing Dropbox for personal storage or work-related projects, it's always a good idea to know just how much space you're using. Understanding your storage limits can help you plan better and avoid any unexpected notifications about being over capacity. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate over to Dropbox.com in your preferred web browser. This is the main website where all of your Dropbox interactions will happen, so it's good to bookmark it if you tend to visit frequently. Once you're on the homepage, you'll have to log in with your Dropbox credentials. Make sure to enter your account details accurately, your email and password, so you can smoothly gain access to your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll see your avatar, which could either be your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a photo. Clicking on your avatar will open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options related to your Dropbox account, so it's a handy feature to be familiar with. From this drop-down menu, you want to select Manage Account. This selection will lead you to your account settings page, where you can get a comprehensive overview of your account details. It's a centralized location that allows you to manage different aspects of your Dropbox account, making it a valuable tool for keeping track of your storage usage. Once you're in the account settings, look for the Subscriptions section. The subscriptions page provides an array of useful information, including your current plan details and, crucially, how much storage space you're using. You'll see exactly how much storage has been used and what remains available, which is essential for managing your files effectively. That's all there is to it. Just a few quick clicks and you have a wealth of information at your fingertips. Being aware of your Dropbox storage usage can help you manage your files more efficiently and ensure you're within the limits of your current plan. Keep in mind, if you ever need more storage, you can always evaluate the different plans Dropbox offers and switch to one that better suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to check out other resources or contact Dropbox support for assistance. Enjoy using Dropbox and stay organized.